This is the all-new Emmo VMO. This is your step-through cruiser-style e-bike. It is like the V-Go, but it does have some differences, which we'll do a video on that. Now, the handlebars are like this because the first thing I want to show you is how easy it is to adjust these handlebars to where you want them. So this is how they go, and it's got this little lever that pulls up. So wherever you find that spot that you like, you take your Allen key, which comes with the bike, you tighten that a little bit, and then that snaps into place and keeps you where you want it. So the most beautiful thing, I got to tighten that a little bit more. What the request was, what people needed was a bike that had a shorter seat height. So I'm 5'3" and I'm very flat-footed. This bike is very, very comfortable. If you want something where you can touch the ground flat-footed and you're a shorter person, this is the bike for you. They are 48 volt, 17.5 amp hour, and they're $24.99. So your seat height, seat height is 29. And that's kind of great too, because you still have a nice cushy seat. Sometimes if you want a shorter seat height, you got to go with a flatter seat, and that's not comfortable. So this is nice and squishy. Very good. So I'm just going to tighten this a little bit more so that it stays. There we go. So this bike comes with everything, including signals. Cool is that? Okay, so they come in 4 different colors, and they're like a matte color, which is really nice. Mag wheels, hydraulic disc brakes, adjustable suspension, rack, and integrated lights front and back. So I'll show you how to turn it on. So we're gonna press the power button. It's gonna say welcome. And there is your display. So the night lights just went on. I'm gonna press and hold the up button to turn off the lights. So this is your display. This is how you go up. This is your assist, 1 through 9. And the higher you go, the faster you go. There we go. It has, I'm gonna turn on the lights here. So you've got 2 ways of turning on the lights. You've got an actual button for it. And at the back, you've got brake lights, and you have signals. How cool is that? Never seen that in a bike before. I think that's very handy. I think that's really great for safety. Your throttle is on this side. Your 7-gear Shimano gears are on this side. Like I said, hydraulic brakes are very important. They are much safer on an e-bike. They take less maintenance because the cables don't stretch. And in perfect emo style, they come with just the cute colors, I guess. But this is very much like the V-Go. Oh, let me get to that. The V-Go. The difference with the V-Go is that the battery is on the back rack, where they put the battery in the frame for a little bit better balance, and the tires are a bit wider. Frame's obviously different, seat higher, but it is the same space that way. So, and they're basically the same price as well. It just depends if you need a lower seat or you want that lighter frame, which the V-Go does give you that. But well done, Emmo. They listened. They knew that people needed a lower seat height. The 17.5 amp hour battery is huge. You're gonna get about 40 to 50 kilometers per charge, not doing anything but using the throttle. If you're going to participate and pedal, you're gonna double, quadruple that distance. So it's extremely easy to get 100 kilometers per charge on this bike, even a 15 hour, no problem too. The weight of them is about 65 pounds. You can take the battery out if you want. That's about 8 pounds to lighten it up a bit. But they don't really get lighter than that, but it's not a super heavy bike. Oh, you know what else they did? They added like a palm rest on the grips there too. That's kind of nice, because if your hands like mine, they get my wrists get numb, like it makes my wrist numb. So now you can kind of rest your hands, and it just comes in the 1 battery, the 1 level, so all pro features, and then like I said, 4 different colors, and they're ready for pickup now.